Meanwhile, the most experienced player starts with a serve. Dig out well, set pretty well, but blocked tenaciously. Working in tandem there, Kirsten Wessels, along with the Nepalese player, helping Madhesh United get the first point. Of course, we will talk about the players, but my eyes, Sakshi, have been constantly on Coach Kapila, who has been around, standing very near the court, giving out her advice, giving out her words of wisdom. And as the frame moves, you can see how close she's standing to the court, how closely she's watching the proceedings and watching her team do well. What a spike!
Indeed, and somehow the good run of Madhesh United that started from the first set of this game carries on even in the second set. The early onset of the second set and a complete domination so far by Madhesh United, never giving a chance so far to, of course, Pokhara Ninjas to make a start in the second set. But now we see, again the tables turn from a spike was attempted once again, and this time giving no space. Kirsten Wessels from Netherlands creating a beautiful spike at the net out there and also successfully executing it. A spike to which, of course, Pokhara Ninjas had no response.
What a block! Usha Bist and Kirsten Wessels working in tandem. And Pokhara Ninjas open their account. Courtesy, a poor serve.
Well, the next rally now starts over here. 3-1, Madhesh United in the lead. The rally was started by the serve of Pokhara Ninjas. Madhesh United trying very hard in this rally. And that is what you call a very good spike over here by the Pokhara Ninjas. A classic spike, landing exactly in the center of the court of Madhesh United, leaving them clueless for an answer or a response over there. What a jubilant celebration we saw also over there. And with that, we have the serve that gets started by Pokhara Ninjas over here. Madhesh United trying a dig, and of course a drop also, a swift drop, but successfully responded back by Pokhara Ninjas. But this time, Madhesh United committing a fault and error, allowing Pokhara Ninjas to come back into the game, and 3-all it becomes because their outside hitter that we saw over here from Madhesh United, Romy Winstra from Netherlands, tried to drive the ball but landed it outside the court. 3-all, scores tied.
Catches it far from the outside, does Winstra. Set up well, and over Koniran, fails to kill it. She's one of the tallest players we have in the league. Stands at 190 centimeters, has a spike height of 327, and look at her. Look at her leap, almost like a paraglider. She went so high, but unfortunately ended up driving it into the middle of the net. Madhesh United now with the serve. This time around, a smart dink. A smart dink helps over Koniran redeem herself and give Pokhara Ninjas the point. 4-all.
Well, scores tied right now. Both the teams going all in the second set to make sure that Madhesh United definitely do not carry on with that lead to take this set also off. And we find Pokhara Ninjas coming back into the game for all. The serve started by Pokhara Ninjas over here. Good return over there by Pokhara Ninjas, attempted. The ball was set and was spiked and now returned by Pokhara Ninjas. A good block. Defended very, very well by Pokhara Ninjas, but just not enough to make the ball be carried across the line, and over here, of course, net landing a point over here in the pockets of Madhesh United.
Wonderful effort there from Meena Sonar. Watch her. Keep your eyes on Meena Sonar. How she dives, gives it a all, ends up sprawled on the floor, but ends up not digging it out. However, they come back courtesy of another poor serve from Madhesh United.
A classic seesaw of points is what we are witnessing over here. You get a point, we'll get a point. You get a point, we'll get a point is what the teams seem to be speaking to each other right now.
Sunita Khatri with the serve. Dig out well. Set up. And now Leah Babon just dinks it, tips it over the net, wins the point. Using her height and brains, went up high in the air, and mid-air she decided that she needs to just roll it over the net, not hit it too hard. This is where she decided, and you can see how she in the end took pace off it.
Indeed. And now we have a fresh rally that gets started by Pokhara Ninjas. The ball being set, well executed and attempted to be returned by attacking on the side of Madhesh United. This time also Leah Babon tried to do that. She tried to block and return the ball near the net, but an unsuccessful attempt of a block over there by Leah Babon, committing not just an error but also a foul, thereby giving a point out there to Madhesh United.
A smile emerged on Coach Kopila's face. Our coach has allowed that? I thought they needed to keep a stern expression on their face no matter what happened. I thought that was an unwritten rule.
Nicely put, Darpan, but sometimes we have those moments in life and we can't but just give it away. You know, smiles.
Right, Adiola Obukoniran to serve. The tallest player in the league sends it down, and the tallest player of the opposition team receives it. Oh, once again, Meena Sunar. Beg your pardon, that's Poonam Chand. Diving, sprawling, trying to give the pancake. The pancake is when you slide your hand just under the ball and try to evade it, try to make sure that it avoids hitting the ground. However, she was unsuccessful in doing that. Set up well for her to have a redemption. Not quite received well. Chance! Well received. And a dink! Once again digged out. Poonam Chand once again has the chance. She gets lucky because it hit the net. But sometimes you need that bit of luck to go your way.
Very nicely put, in fact, and luck this time coming in the favour of Madhesh United. They're coming back gradually. Baby steps to fight back into the game. This is not what we see Pokhara Ninjas would have wanted for themselves. But luck coming to their side. And Madhesh United losing the plot for a second. But now once again, Madhesh United getting that sweet revenge back. We lost a point, but this time once again, Madhesh United has been able to earn back a point. All thanks to Pokhara Ninjas committing a rookie error at the start of the serve. An unsuccessful serve.
8-all. This has been like a pendulum. As my co-commentator called it, a seesaw battle. Oh, that is well received. Set up well. Winstra, can she kill it? No, she can't, because Anjila Pradhan with a wonderful serve. And Meena Sunar handed it away. However, now Jimmy Winstra taking pace off. Once again, a chance for Sunar. Blocked tenaciously. Unwavering defense of Madhesh United at the net has stood out in the last few points. And once again, it's those two players working in tandem. Kirsten Wessels from the Netherlands, along with Usha Bista. They're forming a good team. Coach is happy.
Well, for now, definitely. Madhesh United have the lead, and a new rally that's just begun. Being taken back by the... Oh my God, the outside hitter. Look just what happened over here. Madhesh United's outside hitter tried to spike the ball from across the net, but it was very well defended and blocked back by Leah Babon to give it back, to which Madhesh United's middle block or the outside hitter had no response or revert.
And now Leah Babon is going to be serving. Well received. And once again, the Dutch player tries to tip it over the net. Gets the point back. The seesaw battle continues. Stay glued to your screen. This could go anywhere. It's been that kind of a set. Jumped up high. Almost caught the ball. And then let it go at the very same second. Good absorption there. Showing her experience. Poonam Chand not quite able to kill the point there. Close to the net action. A good dive. Sends it over, does Winstra. Over Koniran. Receives it well. Chance for Winstra once again. She kills it this time. Using her height to advantage.
Well, that's what we witnessed in the previous game also today over here, Darpan, when we saw a freshly new made franchisee give a tough fight to the defending champions. Height becoming a very major factor for the players in action over here, and that is what we're witnessing over here also. The outside hitter of Madhesh United driving the ball successfully near the net, and now a new rally has come into play, and once again, before we even have a chance to let the rally begin, a point over here gets earned by the Pokhara Ninjas.
I think there was some miscommunication there because two players went at the same time for the second touch and they were almost running into each other. And at the very split second, at the very last second, they saw in their peripheral vision the other one approaching and both of them halted and the ball fell between them. That's not the kind of miscoordination you want. Of course, we have already seen an injury happen before, but there's some good news. I just had a conversation with Bharat Yadav, who's the coach of the Lumbini Lavas, and he's told me that Aruna Shahi has had 3 stitches, but she's fine, she's smiling, and hopefully we will see her back on court tomorrow. Something similar happened with Pragati Nath, the captain of Pokhara Ninjas. She suffered an injury yesterday, but she was back on court and right now is in the thick of the action.
Right, and that was the owners' area, the owners' bench, where all the owners of the franchises were sitting over here. But meanwhile, the action continues in this set, with a point over here being granted to Pokhara Ninjas.
That's Pragati, the Pokhara Ninjas captain. Her right arm was all strapped up yesterday. And now you can see she's back in the action, using that right arm to serve. Serves it right in the middle, well dug out, and once again Romy Winstra blocked beautifully. Set up again, and this time around she evades the leaping hands of Pragati Nath. Pragati hopped. I thought she timed her jump well, but then that outstretching arms right at the last moment. Have a look at this. Stretches her arms out almost half-heartedly and a little bit late there. And a very good serve. Ace.
14-10 reads the score. Madhesh United have a 4-point advantage as of now in their favour.
Romy Winstra from Netherlands serving. Remember, 3 Dutch players playing for the Madhesh United. And gets another ace. Look at the jubilation. Look at the happiness.
Well, these are what you call, if you can perfect that ace, if you can perfect the serve, then you need nothing more. But a quick 1 point comes into your pocket, and so soon the tables can turn. Once again, a fresh rally starting over here. That is the recap of what you just witnessed, and quite clearly we saw Pokhara Ninjas, Poonam Chand clueless of not being able to stop that ball.
This time the ball evades Romy Winstra. A robust spike hammered the ball towards the Dutch player's right. Winstra thought for a second that she should move her weight towards her right and put a hand to it, but it was a half-hearted jab in the end, which meant nothing but thin air.
And once again now we are Madhesh United trying to play it well, and yes, they are able to execute it also well. A soft drop near the net from the outside hitter has them securing a point for themselves against Pokhara Ninjas. Just look at the beauty of how that went into where we had Niruta Thaguna, the outside hitter, just softly spiking that ball and dropping it. And another important thing is that she's also the captain of the team, so she's choosing to lead from the front there.
Usha Best with the serve. Pragati Nath setting it up for Poonam Chand, who ends up sending it beyond the end line. The gap's widening. Suddenly Madhesh United have raced in front, 17-11. Time for a substitution. Pokhara Ninjas sent Poonam Chand out, and she has been replaced by Nisha Mahar. Usha Best continues serving. Pragati Nath sets it up. Have to fetch it from the outside. She does well. Winstra turns it around. And now over Koriran with that spike. Kills the point. Finally something going in the favor of the Pokhara Ninjas. A lot of supporters, after all we are in the beautiful city of Pokhara, so a lot of supporters have turned up to support the Ninjas and they want more of this. Meanwhile, another substitution is going to take place. It is in the Madish United camp though.
Yes, and the support that's turned out over here for Pokhara Ninjas is also well justified given the fact that yes, it's a new franchisee and they have their fan base building up. But over here, new rally starts off and it's a well-earned point by Madhesh United. Once again, the outside hitter carrying off that perfect spike across the net from the outside, driving it smoothly into the opposition's court and securing a point for Madhesh United. We have over here Kristen Wessels now starting the rally.
Leah Baban! Smart! Very, very smart. Just watch this. Close to the net. Leaps up. And she sends it over across. However, it looks like her hand hit the net.
There was already a setter at the end
But
of
that was
Madhesh.
after the ball had already gone to the other side. The captain takes matters in her own hands, serves it down, a spin serve. Pragati Nath sets it up for Leah Baban, who once again fetches the Ninjas a point.
Well, quick building up over here by, of course, Madhesh United, but also Pokhara Ninjas in close features trailing behind. They're trying to reduce the lead that Madhesh United have. Substitution has come in now over here for Pokhara Ninjas in play. They're taking a substitute.
Poonam Chand comes back and she immediately goes back to serve it. Experienced player. Plays for the Nepal Police Club. Sends down a spin serve which has been received well. Romy Vinstra with the kill spike. The referee is not sure. He's asking the lineman and eventually he has provided the point to the Pokhara Ninjas.
We'll have to look at the replay of that, exactly what transpired over there. You have a perfect spike, but the ball going outside the court, I believe.
So Poonam Chand's serve is going to continue. Sends down a spin serve.
Well, that's a point well earned over there by, of course, Pokhara Ninjas, earning it. A good spike played out once again by Pokhara Ninjas, trying to reduce that gap. The gap now reducing to 3 points with Madhesh United still in the lead. But gradually we are building up. Somehow we are seeing the attack from Pokhara Ninjas improving. Their attack is bettering up. They're just being able to set up a better play for themselves in every rally and also execute their plans, which for a change has been a delight to watch from Pokhara Ninjas Darpan.
The coaches
संतान प्राप्ति का लागि वात्सल्य
1916, Madhesh United, can they now surge towards closing the set? That's the question. Set up and killed once again, the two Dutch players working in tandem. Set up well by Ardima and killed by the young Winstra.
Indeed. Happy days right now for Madhesh United, eyeing again a second set win, but still 5 points away from the sweet victory of the second set. And a new rally starts this time with Madhesh United starting the serve. Hit well, set well, but executed not well by the Pokhara Ninjas. Very happy Madhesh United with that 1 point over there. Look at the action that just transpired over here. Meena Sunar tried to spike that ball across the court, but just landed the ball right outside, giving Madhesh United one more point. And now we have over here Aarti Subedi coming in to start the rally.
Pragati Nath fetches it, and over Koniran ends up driving it into the net. Point to the United.
Happy days, smiling days from Madhesh United. Reasons to rejoice right now.
Serve continues. Aarti Subedi sends down a serve which has been scooped from low, and Leah Baban once again showing of it near the net. Jumped up high but did not hit it hard. She shaped to hit it hard, deceived the opponents who braced themselves for a hammer coming their way, but she just rolled it over the net.
Skill and intelligence to perfection. That's what you call using your height with your skill, and of course putting the brain out there to execute it.
And she's going to be serving now, dribbling the ball, catching her breath, begins to serve, sends down a spin serve which dips on the Madhesh United captain, who is able to pick it up. And now Pragati with this set, tipped over. However, Madhesh United are able to recover, and Romy Winstra once again killing the point. This 21-year-old from the Netherlands is turning out to be an ace for the Madhesh United.
Very nicely put over here, and a very good observation also, Darpan. A young player from a new team. And you can see those visuals that we just saw. Pokhara Ninja fans clueless right now. But all hope is not yet lost. As we focus on the fans who have, of course, sad faces out there, hope is not lost for Pokhara Ninjas, because they are clearly not giving up. Let's also look at this points table right now, which shows that in the second set it's 19-22. The lead has decreased, and with that, a point has been awarded over here, or should we say rewarded over here, to Madhesh United, because an unsuccessful serve results in a foul being attempted by Pokhara Ninjas. And there you have it. Leah Boban, a rarity to have her commit that foul.
Oh, digs it out really, really well, does Anjila. And now in the court of the Madhesh United, once again Romy Winstra gets the point. Valiant effort to block that from Sunita Khatri, who was standing near the net, jumped up, got a hand to it, but it only took the sting out of that spike. Madhesh United fans who have travelled all the way from Birganj, relishing their team's performance. They are at the brink of winning the second set. But we'll have to now call it that they won it.
Indeed, and there you have all the owners rejoicing in happiness. The owners section of the franchisees